Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today we are unboxing the OnePlus band with the new Steven Harrington edition. I will check out how the band looks from the inside, and we will also install it with our iOS device with the help of the OnePlus Health app. So make sure you make it till the end of this video. I'm going to show you a lot of stuff about this OnePlus band. It's the new Steven Harrington edition, as I told you, and these are the stickers that will be available on the band strap, which will be shown further in the video. So make sure you make it till the end of this video. So I bought this band for 2000 rupees, but here in the box it shows 4000. So don't judge me by this. So let's just get right inside the box and just quickly open up with this knife that I have it for so many years. So let's just quickly open it. Okay guys, so finally we have removed the seal. Now let's get the OnePlus band out so that we can see it, how it looks. It's a little tight though. I think it will be opened like this. Yeah, it can be opened from both the sides. Okay, let's try one more time from this side. Okay, we finally got it. So let's just take out the box. Open up this. Okay, here it goes. Oh my god, looks great. This is something else, guys. So before checking the band, let's first check this small manual that has all the spec details about the band written inside it. A red cable club, safety and warranty. You get this with all the electronic gadgets. So we know all this stuff. If you have watched my previous videos as well, I have explained all of this in that video. So make sure you check my channel and drop a like if you are loving this video, and also subscribe if you love OnePlus. So here is the charger that you get with every OnePlus band that you buy from OnePlus, and it's a really fast charger. It really makes your OnePlus band charge really fast. In just like 1 hour it gets to full charge. So guys, here's the band. So this band looks exactly the same as it was mentioned in the box, and it's like a new band, and it feels really great holding this band, but the quality of the band strap is same. So let's get out this watch and just try to figure out how to turn it on. And it's written here that we have to put it on charge to turn it on. So let's just take out the charger and put this thing on charge till 100%, and then we will connect this band with our our Android device. Today we are connecting this charger with the OnePlus band that we have bought. So this is a OnePlus charger that you are looking at, and we are gonna connect this charger with our band and charge this till 100%. First we would need to remove this. This is just a manual kind of screen guard provided by OnePlus, but it's not a screen guard. It just tells you that you have to put it on charge to turn this thing on. So make sure you charge it till 100%, and right now it's already charged till 34%. So we're gonna make sure we charge it till 100%, or maybe 99, because 99 also is good. So guys, after 1 hour of charge, it has finally charged till 99%, and I think it's good to go, and we are ready to connect this band with our Android device. So let's go ahead and take our Android device out and let's connect them both. Let's go. So guys, after logging in and allowing all the permissions inside the app with the Android smartphone, we are ready to connect it with our OnePlus band. So here it is, how this is how you connect. You just press the red button on your band and select the smartwatch that you are wearing or that you bought from OnePlus, and just wait till it connects. Then you move forward with all the agreements and allow all permissions so that you get full access to the services by OnePlus Health app. And then you have to choose on which hand you have to wear this band, and then continue. And this is just a normal agreement by Xiaomi, because this is a Xiaomi smartphone that I'm using. So now the band has been connected, it's ready to use. We need to just wear it and count our steps daily so that we can live healthy. And this looks really great, man. I'm really proud of this watch, and I'm going to wear this every day. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.